This video is for you only if you already know Python and Django. I get this question a lot. I know Django well. What should I learn next? Fast API, React.js, DevOps, machine learning, data science, or what? Today, I'm going to give you my honest answer for this question for 2026 plus 5 years. So, before I talk about what to learn, I just want to talk about what not to learn. Don't learn machine learning just because AI is hot. Training ML models requires mathematical background. It also requires data science background. You have to be very quick about data. And also it needs a high performance GPU. They are expensive. So that's why that's not for most backend developers or most software developers. And also don't abandon Django for fast API just because it's trending. You see, Django ORM, auth, admin, it's already optimized for high performance applications. So, what to learn next? I would say learn agentic AI. Learn to build AI agents. There are a lot of agentic AI frameworks like LangChain is there, AutoGen is there, and also Crew AI. You don't need any of these. Just learn the fundamentals of agentic AI, how the agent works, how the tool works, how the agent loops work, how to create the AI agents, how to create the multiple AI agents, how to work with the multi-agent setup, and you understand how the agents are taking decisions, how you help them taking the decisions, and then you connect these skills with your existing Django skills. This is when your application becomes super intelligent. I'll show you a very quick demo of what kind of intelligent applications that we can build using agentic AI with Django. So this application, this is just a very small business intelligence agent that I built for this particular video. So I'm going to show you what we can do with what we can do with the AI agents in your Django applications. You already know Django ORM, right? So the queries. So these queries work as your agent's tool. Your AI agents will take the help of your query or help of your ORM, then they will work for the business owners. Okay, so let's say there is a business owner. He don't have much time and he don't want to log into the computer and see the dashboard and understand what's going on. He just want to ask someone maybe how many orders I got, like what's happening in the business, like how many revenue I got, right? What should I need to make the get the 25% more revenue from last month. So all these questions he can ask. Okay, so using Django, we are connecting the AI agent with our database, which means we are giving the access of our database to the AI agent, and the agent will now go to the database and see what is happening, right? And then he will get the data and he will analyze it, and he will tell you exactly what is happening, exactly what I should do as a business owner, right? So this kind of, these are not the clicking a button kind of traditional software development. In traditional software development, what we do, we everywhere we have either a link or button. The user has to click it and then we load some data and show, right? So this is a linear process, right? But this one, the user or the business owner can ask anything about his business. He can ask anything about his particular business, not like ChatGPT where you go to ChatGPT and ask anything. It will it will give you with the broad context. But now we are training our AI agents to work particularly for this particular project, right? So that's when your AI agents will become more powerful, more intelligent. Okay, so I'll give you one demo here. So what's happening here, so this is one very small project I created. I have some dummy data and all that. So I have single agent here. I don't have multiple agents for this particular demo. We can actually create multiple AI agents, but this one, you see, what I'll ask is, I'll just ask him how many, how many orders I got today. Okay, how many orders I got today. So this is kind of, you can ask anything. It should not be like exactly these words you have to put. No, right? So assistant is telling you got 5 orders today with a total revenue of 3065. Out of these, 3 have been delivered and 1 is still pending. Okay, no problem. 1 is still pending. You see, I'm showing this in a terminal, but in real application, what happens? You integrate the kind of chat bot or something. Okay, or maybe this is also possible to directly connect it with the WhatsApp API. Also, the user can, or the business owner can just send the message in the WhatsApp and he will get the response, because we can give access to the database, to our database, to the WhatsApp API, so that they will get connected and they'll get the response there also. But the thing is, Django and AI agents are working together to do something that is very helpful for the business owners. Okay, so I'll ask one more questions here. Maybe I'll ask how much revenue I got this month, but I'll ask this in Hindi, not English, right? So this is kind of like, this agent can be your friend, okay, as well as assistant. So इस month में कितना revenue हुआ? I'm asking in Hindi. Let's see. Okay, so you see, it is also replying in Hindi. इस month यानी जून 2026 में अभी तक 17,918 का revenue हुआ है और टोटल 26 ऑर्डर्स डिलीवर हो चुके हैं. ओके, सो आई डू आई आस्क सम ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस नाउ. what if I want to get 25% more revenue in this month than last month? Okay, let's see what it says. This is actually the real data. Okay, so it has the access to our database. Okay, so what it is saying here is the breakdown for you. Last month, which is May 2026, revenue was 1 lakh 3,000 something. To beat that by 25%, your target for this month would be 1 lakh 3,000 382 multiplied by 1.25, which will be 1 lakh 29,000. I have to make the revenue for this month. You have already made 17,000 this month, so you still need 1 lakh 11,000 something more in the remaining days of June to hit that target. Okay, so this is very good insight now, right? So actually, this AI agent is working for you just like my supervisor or assistant or some kind, someone who is working for him, right? So I'll ask one last question. So maybe in Hindi again. Okay, अभी तक का बेस्ट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट कौन सा है? Okay, so I'm asking, which are the best selling products so far? Let's see what it shows. Okay, ये रहे आपके top 5 best selling products अभी तक. Okay, it has given me the best selling products based on the number of orders. So this is just a very small terminal demo. We can actually scale this kind of applications to the next level using Django and Agentic AI. So currently this is only one agent. You can have n number of AI agents in your applications. Okay, so since you already know Django, you are almost 70% there. Only you just have to understand the fundamentals of agentic AI. Okay, fundamentals of AI agents, how it works, and after that you can build super intelligent applications. And mark my words, next 5 years AI agents will be in each and every software applications. Every software product is getting built with the AI layer on top of it. Agentic AI or AI agents are not hype. They are not going to replace you. They are the change in software industry. They are the change, they are the shift. You will be working with AI agents. You will not be replaced. You will not lose your job. You have to learn to work with AI agents. We are very fortunate that we are in the starting of this huge shift. Next 5 years, everybody will start running behind AI agents, start running to learn AI agents. But this is the time. We are the early developers of this extraordinary skills. So this was just a demo. I'm creating full-fledged end-to-end Django application with the AI agents, that too multiple AI agents. You will learn to build the software application with the agentic AI. This course will be out very soon. If you're interested, just comment on this video. I'll see you in the next video.